Hey everybody, it's me Trudy. Welcome to Tucker and Tulips. I am here, you guys, with a second package of the Christmas in July swap 2026, hosted by Carol from the Crinkle Path, Trish at Crafting Whimsy, Susan at Turtle Lily Love It, Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and Sierra from Bat Collie Craft Corner. I just wanted to say thank you guys for allowing me to be a part of this swap this year. This is the third year that I'm involved in this. And you guys, and first of all, my Secret Santa, I want you to know that I apologize for being late. I am late on opening my gifts. I recently, you guys have, those of you who've been following me know that I just lost my beautiful, sweet Tucker, the namesake to my channel. And I still hard, but we're getting through this, and I do have a little puppy that keeps me on my toes that is named Jackson, that I will be introducing you guys, if I haven't already, to him really soon. But I just wanted to say that I am incredibly sorry to my Secret Santa for being for not doing this in a timely manner. We were supposed to, today is the 23rd, and I was supposed to post this by yesterday, so I'm behind. All right, so this is day 2, and you guys, I know some of you are in the giveaway. There is a giveaway if you can try to, I think if you try to guess, I don't have all the details, but I think if you try to guess who's who, or I think Carol is doing some sort of a giveaway, so you want to look for that. I'll have all of the information linked in the description box. So I don't have a clue. I'm trying to guess some of these things, but my Secret Santa has done an incredible job. I think, like this bag here, and it's so sweet and beautiful, and it looks like it's like a pencil case. I can put it in a notebook, which I will. But I love how she put, I love gold, and I love how she put the gold trim, which I had some of this and I didn't know what to do with it. Now I look at this. Have you guys ever had that happen, where you look at something that somebody else did and you had no idea what to do with it, and then all of a sudden, poof, somebody does something with it and you're like, oh yeah. She has this awesome dangle here, and it's with the lobster claw, I think those are called, and then all these beautiful charms, the gold ones. She has a Christmas tree, these, just everything is so pretty. Oh, a little reindeer, if you can see that, a little reindeer. And then a little Christmas gift. And that's just beautiful. I'm gonna put that on my Christmas journal this year. So I'll put that over here. And then there's a pocket here, and it's a gingerbread man. And I love these because they're big. I'm gonna actually use this. She had this one in my first. I'm gonna use this for a pattern. I want to make a bunch of little gingerbread, like a banner. So I'm gonna try to do that, and then decorate them. I think that'll be cute. So thank you for my dangle Secret Santa. I love it. That'll be for my Christmas in December. So then she has, and I love the way all of this feels. I love these stars here. I've never seen these stars. And this, just the detail of some of the work people do, it just always like inspires me. I love that. I love the detail. gold always seems to, you know, just brighten up stuff. So, oh my goodness. Okay, so we have, oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this one at a time. So we have from scrapbook.com, we have Magical Pattern Collection. And you guys, this is a Disney collection, 5 sheets of each pattern. And if she's been watching, she knows I have a Disney book, and I have, and I love Disney. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. So there's 5 of each. And we'll just flip through. So we have stripes and polka dots. And then we have snow. This looks like stars. So we have stars. And we have, oh, some more Disney. Looks like the castle, purse, some Disney shoes. Oh, these are going to be fun to work with. Oh, I love this one. This one says Magical Day on there. And then I love that there's 5 in each. And then this one, stars, more stars. Can never go wrong with stars. I love stars. And then some little circles with squiggly lines on the, they're double-sided. So I can use both sides, and some polka dots. So those are going to be so fun to use. 40 sheets, and these are from scrapbook.com. 230 GSM. So they're pretty thick cardstock. Yeah, they're nice. And then I have this beautiful Crafter's Companion embossing folder, and this is a Christmas. I don't have anything like this, so thank you, Secret Santa. I don't have any Christmas snowflake embossing folders. This one's nice. I love it. I love it. That's going to be fun to use. And this wonderful stamp, this is from Stamp Pendis. This one says December. It says Happy 25th. And I love this vintage little, has a vintage little bird. Looks like a postage stamp. Christmas, Merry. I love this. This is so pretty. This is, oh, it has this, some samples. Really pretty. It's called Hollybird. The name of it is Hollybird. From 2012, so it's pretty, it's vintage. Or 2013 it says here. This is awesome. I've not seen it, nor I've never seen this at all. So thank you, Secret Santa. I love that. And I love these. These are awesome. These are going to be really fun to, oh, these are really cool to make with mixed media. These are awesome. I love these, and these are really good quality, thick. It doesn't tell me what kind they are, but they're definitely very nice. I love these. Oh, Secret Santa, thank you so much. I really love these. Yeah. That's going to be fun to play with. Well, she certainly spoiled me. Again, you guys, if you guys haven't seen all the wonderful creators and all the inspiration and just a little bit of joy in the month of July, which, let me just say, Secret Santa, this has a name on here. It says Sparkling Snowflake. So from Crafter's Companion. So that's the name of it, if you guys want to look for it. Sparkling Snowflake. Let's see. yeah, so if you guys haven't looked at some of these, please go and look at some of the beautiful creations and the gifts that are being shared out there in the month of July. It's been a rough month for me, but I'm going to get through this. We always do, you guys. And if you guys haven't seen the story of Tucker and why he's so special to me, you might want to do, I did a hashtag what's in your name that talks about, I did that a few months back, and I'm glad that I did it before he passed away. He passed away on July 13th, you guys, and it was sudden and unexpected and totally devastating to me. I'll do a video and not put it in here, but I will explain to you guys everything that happened. But I just want you to know, Secret Santa, that your gifts are just part of brightening my day, and I truly appreciated them because it's just nice to just have those really good thoughts, because I know you did this for me. You know, I don't know who you are yet, but you know, you knew who I was, and so you did something especially for me, and that makes me feel good. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, you guys, well, I hope you guys are enjoying your day, and I will talk to you guys really soon, and I will be back with my final reveal package. Okay, I'll talk to you guys really soon. Bye.